Host. Welcome back to our channel, cricket enthusiasts. Today we have an incredible story to share with you. It's the inspiring journey of how A B Devilliers, a cricketer with extraordinary talent, became one of the best cricketers in the game. Cut to a montage of A B Devilliers' childhood photos, cricket matches, and newspaper. Headlines showcasing his early achievements. Host. A B Devilliers, born on birth date, was destined to leave a mark on the cricketing world. From a young age, his passion for the game was undeniable. He started playing cricket in his backyard, emulating his favorite players and dreaming big. Cut to A B Devilliers' interview. A B Devilliers' journey was not without its challenges. He faced setbacks and failures along the way, but he never let those define him. Instead, he used them as stepping stones to success. Cut to A B Devilliers' batting practice footage. Host. A B Devilliers' batting technique was unparalleled. His innovative shots and quick A B Devilliers. Talent alone is not enough. It's the combination of hard work, dedication, and mental strength that truly makes a player great. I spent countless hours practicing, analyzing my game, and constantly striving for improvement. Cut to A B Devilliers' intense gym workouts. A B Devilliers. Fitness is a crucial aspect of being a successful cricketer. It allows me to stay agile, focused, and perform at my best, even under pressure. Cut to A B Devilliers' match-winning innings footage. Host. A B Devilliers' hard work and determination paid off. He started making headlines with his match-winning headlines showcasing his early achievements. Host. A B Devilliers, born on birth date, was destined to leave a mark on the cricketing world. From a